This one here, it says find n in the binomial expansion where this equation, if the ratio of 7 term from the beginning to the 7 term from the end is 1 over 6, means the ratio of 7 term from the beginning and 7 term from the end of this expansion is 1 over 6. So I put it this way. Let's talk about the 7 term from the end. Suppose I don't know how many terms we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is my last term, would be n plus 1th term, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be my 7th term from end, which will be n plus 1 minus 6, means n plus 1 minus 6, which is n minus 5th term. So r would be n minus 5 minus 1, which is n minus 6. This is my r. Second thing, 7th term from the beginning. All right, 7th term from the beginning will give you r as 7 minus 1, 6. If I do the expansion, 7th term from the beginning would be nc6, and 7th term from the end would be n minus 6. If you expand nc6 and n minus 6, they both will be equal. This will be n factorial over, means nc6 and n minus 6 both are same. Now 7th term from the beginning, nc6, and this will be 3 root 2 over n minus 6 into negative 1 over 6 over n minus 6, and 3 root 2 over n minus 6 will be 6. N minus 6 is n minus n plus 6, then cancel, comes to 6, and negative 1 over 3 root 3 over n minus 6. Now nc6 and n minus 6 is same. I can cancel this. What I'm left with is this can be written as 2 raised to 1 over 3. So this is 2 raised to 1 over 3 into n minus 6 into negative 1 over, this will be 3 raised to 1 over 3 over all raised to 6 over, this is 2 1 over 3 raised to 6 into negative 1 over 3 raised to 1 over 3 over n minus 6. Okay, now you see, if I have something like, say, x to the power 4 into negative y to the power 6 over x to the power 2 into negative y to the power, say, 3, what I can do, I can write it as x raised to 4 minus 2. I can divide x raised to 4 by x raised to 2. What I get is x raised to 4 minus 2. This 2 goes up into, these negative can be cancelled, and this will be y raised to 6 minus 3. So x raised to 2 into y raised to 2. That's what I get. Same thing I can do here also. 2 raised to 1 over 3 n minus 6 into 1 over 3 raised to 1 over 3, 6 minus n minus 6 equals to 1 over 6. This ratio is equal to 1 over 6. So this will be 2 1 over 3 raised to n minus 12 into 1 over 3 raised to 6 minus n plus 6 equals to 1 over 6. So this is 2 1 over 3 raised to n minus 12 into is 1 3. This will be 12 minus n. This can be written as, I'll write it as 2 1 over 3 raised to n minus 12 into, this will be 1 into 3 raised to negative 1 over 3 into 12 minus n equals to 1 over 6. This will be 2 raised to n minus 12 over 3 into, this will be 3 raised to negative 1 multiplied to 12 minus n gives you positive n plus 12 over 3 equals to 1 over 6. Now you see, powers are same. In that case, bases can be multiplied. So this will be 6 raised to n minus 12 over 3 equals to 1 over 6. 6 raised to n minus 12 over 3. 1 over 6 can be written as 1 into 6 raised to negative 1 or only 6 raised to negative 1. Now you see, 6 raised to n minus 12 over 3 equals to 6 raised to negative 1. Bases are same. It means n minus 12 over 3 is equal to negative 1, which can be solved as n minus 12 equals to negative 3. N equals to negative 3 plus 12, n equals to 9. It means n, this power would be 9 in this expansion. Alright.